Welcome everyone, this is Mark. Today we will talk about element 612 of ISO 9001:2015 standard, actions to address risks and opportunities. Before we start, click the subscribe button below not to miss our new videos. Keep on watching, as in the end I will show you a link to a lean context metrics and a cool book on ISO management systems. Element 612, among others, requires an organization to plan actions to address risks and opportunities. In the previous video, using SWOT and the FMIA analysis, we identified and documented risks in our context matrix. If you missed that video, click the link below to catch up. To move from the risks and opportunities to the actions, let's change the scenery and flip to the next page of the context matrix. This page refers to the actions in response to identified risks, opportunities, and threats. Let's take a look at an example. Needs and expectations of our customers. The first customer requirement is quality on receipt, or out-of-box failures. Some folks call it also dead on arrival. We identified our performance against this need as a weakness because we have a high number of complaints. To address this weakness, we created an action item in our action list to enhance our final inspection process. The threat associated with the high number of complaints is the loss of customers. We determined that the same action as for the weakness will remedy this threat, improvement in the final inspection process. The next concern is delayed shipping. We also recognize this issue as a weakness, and in response to it, we created another action item, improvement of the production planning process. The following customer need is a reasonable call on hold time. Customer complaints indicated that hold on time was too long. This feedback doesn't leave us an option. This is yet another weakness. To address this weakness, we determined that we have to consider hiring additional customer service staff. So using this model, we address the first requirement of element 612, planning actions to address risks and opportunities. In the following video, we will talk about how to integrate actions into our QMS and how to evaluate the effectiveness of these actions. This is all for today, folks. Do not forget to visit our Lean website. Go to the Academy page and check out our free downloads. Among those, you will find a link to Lean Context Matrix. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.